We have to admit it, when it comes to finer flavors and more sophisticated cuisine, trust Kapampangan. Pampanga is the culinary capital of the Philippines after all. Today, we're learning from my auntie who hails from San Fernando. We'll be doing Lutong Bale, Manyaman, here on Channel 1. Lutong Bale, sophisticated, the Kapampangan way. Warm welcome! Magluluto tayo ng ating ulam today, and this will be in English because this is an episode our share the Pinoy food to the world. That's why we're doing this in English, and I'll try to be consistent with the Channel 1 pronunciation. Okay, this is simple, and most households will call this giniling, pero bigyan natin siya ng mas masarap na pangalan. Well, if you give it a name and if you not pronounce it right, it will taste better. True. So, ang tawag natin dito, we'll be calling this Picadilyo. Di ba, Ante? Picadilyo?
Picadillo, yeah.
Yes. And I had to acknowledge this time, although kaming mga we Ilocanos have strong flavors and delicious foods. When it comes to more refined and sophisticated preparations, trust the Kapampangans. That's true, huh? That's true. That's why today we're very thankful. I'm under the tutorship of my auntie today. She will be cooking. Ako ang magluluto, but she will be giving me instructions. So today we'll be cooking the Kapampangan style. Watch and learn. Huwag aalis, matututo kayo. Yeah? Stay with me and let's learn from my auntie from Pampanga. And greetings, by the way. We are not in Florida Blanca, but in Florida. Greetings. The ingredients are very basic. All talipapas would have it. Ground beef, bell pepper, carrots, garlic and onion, potato, and sweet peas. Don't forget the salt and pepper. You know what? Our potato here darkened, being exposed to oxygen. So we're washing it. Although I think it doesn't matter. It might even enhance the taste. So, as in most stir fries, my auntie here is telling me to start stir-frying the onions. Dito auntie
and garlic, yeah.
And garlic. Dito auntie ang kuha. Dito ang kuha.
So it's a spoonful.
It's just a spoonful. That's,
yes.
Okay. That would be, just a spoonful, yeah? Or ang dami yata. Kasi to be honest, the fattier the dish is, the tastier, di ba auntie? Yeah, she agreed. Okay, so we'll do the stir-fry. Yeah, ang galing na nga. My auntie now is doing the camera and she's following every move I do here.
Okay.
So let's start with which do you
garlic,
do first? Garlic first. Yeah, that's what I learned at home also. Yeah, garlic.
Saute garlic.
Yan. Nastuklos ang tinalagyan na ating lang. Uy, ang ganda nga. Okay.
Then, when it's brown, just put half of the onions there.
Yeah, just half of this because we're cooking a different dish. And we'll be using the rest for the other dish. Yeah, yeah, galing mo camera. This is the first time you get a close-up of the palayok or of the casserole.
Okay. Then put the ground beef now.
I'll put the ground beef now. Okay.
Then
Easily.
Okay.
Is this ready?
No.
Not yet. My auntie is telling me to put the ground pork or ground beef when
the onions are gelatinous.
Not yet.
Okay.
This is standard, yeah. Hindi na Kapampangan gumagawa niyan. Everyone, we have to wait until the onion becomes a bit translucent.
Translucent, right. Okay. Now put the ground beef now.
Okay, I'll put the ground, yeah. And auntie, look, this is lean meat, right?
Yes, lean meat.
Ganun na lang.
Yes.
Usually, may kumapit sa camera.
Oh no.
Okay. Okay lang tayo, don't worry. Okay lang ba? Is there a proper way of stirring this?
Yes.
How?
That's perfect.
That's very nice. Of course, you're watching Channel 1. And if you enjoy watching, if you want to learn more from the Kapampangan, don't forget to subscribe to Channel 1. Bakit natin ang camera ngayon? Yeah, true. We have to acknowledge that when it comes to cooking, the Pampanga is the culinary capital of the Philippines. Kaya let's learn the finer cuisines from them. Pero kung mga sugba ang dinengdeng, it's ours. Hindi nila alam yun. Okay. Stop mo nante. Ang lamit. My auntie is just saying to clean up while you stir para hindi daw pangit tingnan. At hindi mag-caramelize sa walls, di ba, auntie? So we should do that. Yeah. Hindi, yeah. Kundi ka pinduhan sa pagluluto. Kaya wala yung mga ganyan-ganyan sa sides ng kaserola.
10 minutes
10 minutes.
till it's all cooked and brown.
Hindi na siya pink.
Now, ilalagay na yung patatas at saka yung carrots.
Oh,
Potatoes,
sabay. That's
sabay.
something I learned today because usually I stir fry yung carrots then.
No, it's good.
No.
So, stir together with the ground beef, kasama ng lechon, kasama na siyang lalambot.
At saka dahil lumabas na yung fat, the flavors ng patatas at ng sweetness ng the carrots get infused doon sa fat.
Exactly, yeah.
Oh,
So, leave for another 5-10 minutes to let the carrots and the potatoes become a little tender. Last na itong
yeah. And then lastly, we'll be adding that after 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Let's remind ourselves that we're cooking Picadilyo. So, sa mga taga, Surigao, you can pronounce it, and the Mexicans and everyone north of the Rio Grande River, you can call it Picadillo. Pwede. But if you're from Argentina, it's Picadillo. Yeah? But if you want it, or you want a more cultured pronunciation, Picadillo. Hindi giniling ha, huwag nagsabihin giniling. Picadillo. Kung anong ulam ninyo, don't say giniling, say Picadillo. Okay? Don't take me seriously here, it's just for fun.
Pag medyo malambot na,
My auntie was just saying malapit na maluto. It's about it's been around, I think, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, and we're ready to add the rest of the ingredients, which are it's sweet peas.
Sweet peas and bell peppers.
Bell pepper.
Red and green bell peppers. The last
And then the last, it's
will
the
be the
guisantes.
guisantes or the sweet peas.
Sweet peas, yeah? Okay, pwede nang patawarin ang tumawag din ng sweet peas.
So,
And it's Libby's. I am reminded of the Libby's pork and beans when I was a kid. Paborito kong ulam. I learned something today because even in the Philippines, we've been calling the guisantes as sweet peas. And in Europe, especially the English, sweet peas are flowers. These guisantes are simply called peas. Sweet peas are peas, but they are grown for their flowers. That's how it is in the UK. That's what I heard. If you're still watching, di ba ang simple ante, it's just salt and pepper and the giniling. And
you can add patis too, you know.
yeah, because patis always enhances the taste. Pero traditionally, ante, in Pampanga, do you add patis to most meat
No,
dishes?
it's just yeah, but in here we just put salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper,
Simplified.
yes. And we are in the US. Bitchin is a no-no.
Yes. So I'm now ready to add the bell peppers. Mix.
As an option, look, really California raisins, this is what we have. It's expensive back in the Philippines. Pero to give it a sweet taste, it's an option to add raisins.
Little bits.
Yeah, ay kung walang raisins, ante, what's the option? Kung talagang walang-wala ka.
No, it's when you say it's option, you can go without.
Okay, we can go without. Kung purdoy ka talaga at
Yung iba,
wala na.
ayaw nila ang sweetness.
Yeah. So let's add this. Auntie?
It's healthy because everything's there. The vegetable, the meat combined together in one meal, and it's nutritious, delicious.
Yeah. And if you're really lazy, you can even add rice.
Oh yeah, they eat it with rice.
With rice. Just
With
add
bread.
rice here. Yeah, how glorious the color is. This is a kiddie menu. Pang ano to talaga. No child will not like this. Tingnan nyo sa kulay, oh. Kulay pa lang, ulam na. It's really a simple dish, pero the key here is the proportion. Diba? If you notice, we use only one potato. Big one. For, let's say, half a kilo or 1 kilo ng ground beef.
1 pound.
1 pound, this would be, let's convert.
2 carrots.
Yeah. And just 2 carrots. Napansin naman maliliit. And
half of bell pepper, green and red.
Yeah. And you also notice we were generous with garlic. Okay, it's almost done. That's what my auntie here is saying. And we're adding raisins from California. Yes, this is the raisins we know in the Philippines. I remember getting these only when my aunties come home from Manila.
Let's see, that.
And it's good. It's a quick dish talaga. And if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to subscribe and share. Ipakita natin, ibida natin ang pagkain Pinoy to the world. That's what we're doing with my auntie here. Ibinibida namin sa America. Di ba, auntie? Okay, pakita ko na. It's now cooked. And here it is. Our Picadilyo style Pampanga a la San Fernando, because that's where my auntie hails from. Thank you for joining me and my auntie here. I've learned a lot, and don't forget to come back. We'll be learning more. Our next recipe would be secret. Hindi namin sasabihin. You have to come back. But for the meantime, Diyos sa Agnina, and your kuya and uncle here, together with my auntie. Thank you very much, and until next time, ibida natin ang pagkain Pinoy sa buong mundo. Our Picadillo. Bawal na magsabi ng giniling, ha? Say Picadillo. Don't take it seriously. Bye-bye. I have a new shirt here. What can you say about my new shirt?